I'm going to do a origami where I'm going to go for the first four. Because of the carbon dioxide, the beans has been bulged.
You get the smell? I'm getting. Yeah. So this is the proper filter coffee. Okay, and what's the difference between this cloth and the dough?
Manil models, it's normal. There's no filter paper. Not okay. Used to wear it with the finger. So in this coffee, I've taken 83 temperature. Okay, I've not gone for 90. I've taken 83.
So is there any particular temperature for each type of coffee?
Yes, because these all been international coffees. So right now I'm going in Red Apple.
Okay, red apple.
Red Apple. So in coffee you need to have a little less bit of temperature.
Okay.
If you go in high, the coffee, all the present will not get any taste.
Another the thing what we are doing at home, the filter coffee, is all not exactly boiled.
That ml you can fill the glass. It's all for the home brewing.
कितना टाइम रखने का फिर?
Like 24 hours.
24 hours. उसके बाद ब्रू होगा.
उसके बाद पी सकते हैं डायरेक्टली.
हाँ, श्वेता उतरागले से मुट्ठी दे.
So you can just put the coffee grounds, put cold water, keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
You'll automatically start releasing it.
हाँ, श्वेता उतर.
Oh wow. What an idea. तो बॉटल बाद में ठंडा रहेगा अंदर कि वो निकाल देने का कॉफी डायरेक्ट पीने का.
नहीं, you have to drink immediately after you take it out. Otherwise, it will go hot.
या बट ऑफ कोर्स उसको थर्मोस में डाल दिया जैसे
हाँ,
मैंने
तो वो कर सकते हो. That you can do. That you can do.
जी ये तो बहुत डेंजर लग रहा है.
Now you can see the coffee is just starting.
ओह ये बढ़िया. तो ये फिल्टर हो गया अभी.
Yes. The coffee powder which I put it on top, it'll be here only. It'll never come down.
Because of the filter.
तो एक ही बार यूज होगा.
You can use it like 100 to 100.
अरे अनले वन के disposable.
नहीं पहले गमलों में खाओ.
So wanted a disposable cup?
Yeah.
Akash,
आपका disposable
take away cup.
तो हम पी ना मजा.
We get first in this.
इसमें ही डालो. तो we'll wait until you drink.
Wow.
Just smell it.
We little far from the equipment. It's hot. So within like after boiling 3 to 4 minutes. If you want more darker, 4-5.
No need to blur or anything, right?
First round is done. Sorry. This is the exact filter coffee. What filter coffee means you add sugar, add milk, they get the milk, push milk, frost. This is the actual filter coffee we call it as.
No added milk. That is called filter coffee.
Because of the filter paper, we call it as a filter coffee.
Okay. What if it is added milk for this? Even then it is called milk.
Milk will get
Okay.
so you can see the bed is so neat.
Yeah. Nice aroma.
So in this, you can drink it in 3 parts like hot, warm and cold. The hot you'll be getting a good coffee flavor you'll be getting. In the medium warm you'll be getting the acidic flavor of the coffee. And the after cold you'll get all the citrus notes and everything you'll get.
Thank you.